Okay, we're here in the bottom of the 6th. These games go to 7 innings. Right now, the Mustards are up 10 to 5. Last I checked. Dan, 10-5. And a nice rip. That'll get past the shortstop. And all the way go. Let's see if this comes for a home run. Danielle is chasing that. That was a line drive that just kept on going. This should be a homer. That's okay. We can give up one. That'll make it 10 to 6. 10 to 6. And that's what happens on the turf sometimes. Here comes the team in a mob. So 10 to 6, no outs. And give them a run. One run in, nobody out. And that's correct. See if that gets through. Danielle will stop that one, go to second base. Panda stops it at second base. So, runner aboard at first, nobody out. Got her bat way behind the back here. That's a strike. One and one now. That'll be hit. That's up in the sky. Danielle makes the call. Danielle makes the catch. That's one away. Goes into second. No one's going to second. That's one away. Danielle with a nice patient catch, ran up to that one and got underneath it, made the catch. That's a strike, and it's up in the air. Panda calls it. No, it's called by Allison. Gets behind Panda. Allison catches it off the bounce. And it's time. So, runners at first and second, one away. Too far for the infield. Too short for the outfield. That ball hit into the perfect position. Camera going blurry on me here. Don't know why. That should be a strike. Nope. So 1 ball, no strikes. 1 away. It's a little long on that one, I guess. Looking for a double play here to get out of this inning.
Hi, Kevin.
Hey, how are you, Narnie? And that goes to first. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. And Faith runs it in, keeping the runner at third. And the runner stays at third. Faith knocks it down at first. Couldn't get an out on the play. 1 away still. So the base is loaded with 1 gone. 10 to 6 lead for the Mustards right now. And there's a strike, and that's going to be up in the air. Allie makes the catch. And everybody gets back to where they were. That's 2 away. Nice catch by Allie. Yes, Lily. No, the game's on. Game's on. Oh, that's a strike. There we go. Bases loaded. First pitch strike.
I'm Taylor Swift.
Yes. And our name is Taylor Swift.
Wait,
That's outside.
Hi, I'm Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift in the audience here tonight. Rumor has it she's got a cousin that plays on the Wild Mustangs. And that's a strike. No, it's outside. Bases loaded. Tying runner at the plate. And that's hit on, and it's fair. Danielle's got to knock that down. She knocks it, but it goes away. Danielle chasing it. And this could be a tying home run. Ball goes in. It's got to go home. And they stop it. Lonnie playing on the line there to stop that from being a home run. We now have a 10-9 game with 2 away. A clutch triple that just stayed fair. Mustangs now up by 1. Now up by 1. And that's a strike. It's up in the air. Panda calls it and has it. And that'll be the 3rd out. Yeah. And the first ball to go to Panda all evening. She snags it. Sharkwee put it away.
Hi, I'm Taylor Swift.
And we're going to the bottom of the 6th. And I'm cutting them off.